Today's lesson is on finding surface area using nets. So we have this rectangular prism over here that the length, width, and height are labeled. And if we wanted to find the volume from yesterday's lesson, we would just multiply the three dimensions together. However, surface area isn't that easy. Surface area is finding the area of all of the sides of this prism and then adding them together. So the easiest way to do that is kind of picture it unfolded. So this net over here is the rectangular prism unfolded and laying flat. So all of the dimensions that are given in the actual rectangular prism are now given over here. So not every single line is labeled, so we have to kind of go through and figure out what those lines that aren't labeled, what their dimensions are. So looking at this top here, this is 2 and this is 2. Well, if this side is 2, so is this side. And then the same thing goes down here at the bottom. That would be 2 and that would be 2. And then if this line is 2, this line here would be 2. And the same thing goes over here for this one and this one because they are the same. If this bottom is 3, so is that line, so is that line, and so is that line. And if this line is 6, so is this one, this one, this one, and that one. Now we can just go through and find the area of each rectangle in this net. So the area of a rectangle is just base times height. So for this one, we have a height of 2 and a base of 3. So this one would be 2 times 3, which is 6. This one is 6 tall with a base of 2. So 6 times 2. So that one would be 12. And then this one has a height of 6 and a base of 3. So this one is 6 times 3. So that's 18. The one next to it is 6 and 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then this one is 6 times 3. So that's 18. And then we have this bottom one here that's 2 tall and a base of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now to find the surface area, we just add up all of those pieces. So we have a 6, a 12, an 18, a 12, an 18, and a 6. Okay. So I know 6 and 6 make 12. And I have another 12 here and another 12 here. So that's 3 12s. That would be 36. So those numbers have been added in. And then I have an 18 plus an 18. That would give me 36. And then 36 plus 36 is 72. So just like area, we have to label it centimeters. And area is always squared. So area or surface area is two-dimensional. So we have to give it the exponent of 2. So the surface area of this rectangular prism is 72 square centimeters.